Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how can you convert any image into PDF file. Just go to this website, it's called png2pdf.com. Here you can drop any image you want to convert into PDF. For instance, I want to convert this image into PDF. This is a JPEG format and I want to convert it into PNG. I simply drag and drop this image here and okay, it is now processed. And now click on download button. You can see a PDF format is downloaded. I'm going to open it. A PNG file is converted into PDF. How simple is this? Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and remember to visit this website. It's called png2pdf.com and you can also add multiple images. Let's see, I want to add these two images as well. Just drop it here. Let's process and then click on this combine button after it will process. Now click on this combine button. It will take time to download the file. Basically, this service will convert these images into PDF format. I want to open it. As you can see, I have one page, second page, and third page. Okay, thank you for watching this video.